Today, I am testing answer gate. SOR stands for exclusive OR. It gives an output of 1 only when the two inputs are different. The SOR gate has two inputs which is A and B and one output. So now I will show you how to connect the input into SOR gates using jumper wires.
Blurred. Japan. Wait, ano magpakita sa kanto? Pwede naman sa Japan ba isang kanya? Ito magpakita sa hindi naman sa kanto. Basta ako nakita doon.
Sige na.
Continue gani. Kato. Bilisin mo na gani. Naglilikord.
Going back the kanya, silik ya, mabiwang.
Going back to her. Ikaw sa to. Yari si Charlie. Yari pa. Yari pa. Oo ba? Sini ko po.
As you can see on the digital trainer, I used the toggle switches as input A and B. I connected these inputs to the SOR gates using jumper wires. Then, when I change the switches, the LED turns on only when one switch is on and the other is off. So if both inputs are 1, the input is 0. But if the input is 1 and 0, the output is 1. The output depends on whether A and B are the same or different.